Alright, what up YouTube, man? I'm just doing a little unboxing video. I got a Marathon Clothing mystery bag. You know, they had the mystery box, then they had the mystery bag. When I tried to cop the mystery box, it was sold out. So I got the mystery bag right up after. I ain't gonna hold y'all though, I'm gonna get to opening it. I didn't want to wait. I know somebody who got the mystery box and they said they didn't get nothing but Crenshaw shit, and I looked it up on YouTube, see if I could find any other unboxing videos, and I couldn't while I'm making this, and they got a bunch of Crenshaw shit. So that's pretty much what we're gonna find out. Did I get a bunch of Crenshaw shit? Did they mix it up for Zay? Let's see. Alright, so it looks like I got a Crenshaw hoodie. Damn, I dropped my knife. Got a Crenshaw hoodie right here. Wait, no, this ain't a hoodie, this is a shirt. Black with the blue Crenshaw motherfucker. I got a white and black Crenshaw tee. So those are my two shirts. I think I'm supposed to get two shirts and two hoodies. Or crew necks, whatever. I don't know if this is a hoodie or crew neck, but I got the blue and white Crenshaw motherfucker. And I got a black and white Crenshaw motherfucker. So that's pretty much it, man. I guess people were right. I guess they were just trying to get rid of all the Crenshaw merchandise, which is nothing wrong with it, because I fuck with, you know, the brand, period. I fuck with all that shit. Damn, there go my camera. I fuck with all that shit. So it was still cool because I got it for $100. So I got all this shit for 100. So that's, you know, 25 an item. I ain't mad at it. Anybody else got it? Let me know in the comments what you thought about your mystery box or your mystery bag. And yeah, appreciate it.